Orangeburg, South Carolina, is known for its beautiful landscapes, warm summers, and mild winters. While the climate is inviting, it also presents challenges for homeowners looking to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and manage energy costs. Energy-efficient bow windows are an excellent solution, combining stunning aesthetics with modern insulation technology to create a comfortable, eco-friendly living environment. If you're a homeowner in Orangeburg, here's why energy-efficient bow windows are a smart investment and how they can transform your home. What are energy-efficient bow windows? Bow windows are a series of 4 or more windows arranged in a gentle curve, projecting outward from the home. They provide expansive views, abundant natural light, and a touch of elegance to any space. When designed with energy efficiency in mind, bow windows go beyond beauty to deliver significant cost savings and improved comfort. Key energy-efficient features of bow windows include low E glass coatings. Minimize heat transfer while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple pane glass. Provides superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes enhances thermal performance. Insulated frames. Reduces drafts and heat loss. Weatherproof seals. Prevents air and water leaks. These features work together to create windows that are as functional as they are beautiful. Benefits of energy-efficient bow windows in Orangeburg's climate. Reduced energy cost. Orangeburg's hot summers can lead to high cooling bills, while cooler winters may increase heating costs. Energy-efficient bow windows help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter. In summer, low E glass reflects heat and UV rays, keeping your home cooler and reducing the strain on your air conditioning. In winter, insulated glass and airtight seals trap heat inside, helping your heating system work more efficiently. These features result in lower utility bills, making bow windows a cost-effective upgrade for any Orangeburg home. Enhanced comfort year-round. Drafty windows can make rooms uncomfortable, especially during seasonal temperature shifts. Energy-efficient bow windows provide a thermal barrier that eliminates drafts and maintains a consistent indoor climate. For Orangeburg homeowners, this means cozy winters and cool summers, with fewer hot or cold spots in your living spaces. Abundant natural light without the heat. Bow windows are celebrated for their ability to flood rooms with natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. However, traditional windows can let in excessive heat, making interiors uncomfortable during the summer months. Energy-efficient bow windows solve this problem with advanced coatings that allow light to enter while blocking heat. You get the benefits of natural light without the added heat, making your home more enjoyable year-round. Improved indoor air quality. Energy-efficient bow windows are designed with tight seals that prevent air leakage. This not only improves energy efficiency but also helps keep out dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants, important considerations in Orangeburg's environment. For households with allergies or sensitivities, these windows contribute to a healthier indoor living space. Eco-friendly living. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient bow windows help lower your home's carbon footprint. Choosing these windows is a step toward sustainable living, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. For Orangeburg residents looking to contribute to a greener future, Bow Windows are an excellent choice. Design options for energy-efficient Bow Windows. Energy-efficient Bow Windows can be customized to complement any home style. Options include frame materials. Choose from vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass for durability and insulation. Glass types. Select double or triple pane glass with low E coatings for optimal efficiency. Finishes and colors. Match your home's interior and exterior design with a variety of finishes and colors. Operable panels. Include casement or double-hung windows within the bow configuration for ventilation. With these options, you can enjoy the perfect balance of functionality, style, and efficiency. Professional installation matters. Proper installation is key to maximizing the benefits of energy-efficient Bow Windows. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and reduced performance. For Orangeburg homeowners, working with a trusted window installation professional ensures a secure fit, proper sealing, and long-lasting results. The value of Bow Windows. Energy-efficient Bow Windows are more than just a beautiful addition to your home. They're an investment in comfort, energy savings, and increased property value. With their ability to enhance curb appeal and create stunning interior spaces, Bow Windows are a feature that Orangeburg homeowners will appreciate for years to come. Conclusion. Energy-efficient Bow Windows are a must-have for Orangeburg homes. They combine timeless beauty with advanced insulation technology, making them ideal for the region's climate. By reducing energy costs, improving comfort, and contributing to sustainable living, these windows offer a smart, stylish solution for homeowners. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult a local Orangeburg window specialist to explore energy-efficient Bow window options. With the right design and professional installation, you can enjoy a brighter, more comfortable, and energy-efficient home that stands out in both style and performance.